We dive into our coverage of the coronavirus this evening. Supply struggles remain more than a month after the first vaccines were administered in St. Louis.
Tonight, several counties and hospital systems are allowing you to sign up for vaccinations. But who's giving the fastest response? News 4's Emma Hogue spent the day tracking down those details.
Tonight, Mercy is one of a few hospital systems now allowing people who qualify to sign up to be put on a vaccine distribution list. But as we know, who gets an appointment first all depends on priority and vaccine availability. Tonight, people I'm hearing from want to know which sites to sign up with and how many.
You do everything you can to find somewhere that can give you a day, a time, so at least then you have something to look forward to.
For weeks, Mike Glazer has scoured the internet looking for available COVID vaccinations. The 70-year-old qualifies for Phase 1B Tier 2 and has been signing up on any registration list he can find.
It's great to say, oh, I'm on the list. Then you think, well, there's millions on that list. Is anyone ever going to call you? Well, you don't feel like they're going to.
Several county health departments and hospital systems like Mercy and BJC have public portals allowing people to sign up to be contacted once it's their turn. Glazer says he tried every avenue and waited.
I did the health department, I did Mercy, I went to the MOBAP, I went to the St. Luke site, I went to Ladue Pharmacy, I went to whenever I would pick up my meds at CVS in Kirkwood, I'd ask them, no information.
Glazer says he and his wife were alerted Sunday and were able to schedule appointments through Mercy for next month.
When we got through, I said to my wife, I said, I got in. I got a time slot. She goes, well, try me.
It's good to be connected to as many of those things as possible, especially if you're in one of these vulnerable high-risk groups.
Spring Schmidt with the St. Louis County Health Department says registering on more than one site is helpful, but once you're contacted, she urges people to stop adding their names to lists. Both the Health Department and St. Louis Pandemic Task Force say the overlap could lead to a mess, even the potential for vaccines to go to waste.
If you schedule appointments at multiple places, then you are putting many of the vaccine providers at risk for having like an extra dose or being less efficient when they could have given that appointment time to someone else.
I've probably tried 10, 15, 20 different locations, and this is the only time that I finally worked.
As Glazer anxiously awaits his appointment, he urges others to be persistent but patient.
You sign up for everything you can, and you have to sit and tell yourself everybody else is also doing it.
Hospital systems like Mercy are reminding you they will reach out to you once it's your turn in line. And although it can be helpful to sign up for information through multiple sites, if you're looking to choose just one, medical experts tell me you should be signing up with the hospital system your primary care physician is associated with. Reporting in Creve Coeur tonight, Emma Hogue, News 4.